In this video, we are going to see how to use voice typing feature in Windows 11 to dictate some text in applications or Google Docs, how to add additional languages like Spanish, Italian, or Hindi, etc. for dictation, and how to command your PC to open applications or close applications, and what to do if you don't have Windows or Office application, then how do you use voice typing using Google Docs. So for our example, for voice typing, we go to this Windows search and there type voice typing. Then you will be seeing that the shortcut for this is Windows plus H key. So go to the editor, press Windows plus H. Now Windows is listening my commands, new line, and I'm trying to dictate it. So this is how the voice typing works in Windows 11. Now to see what these settings are, here if we click on this thing, voice typing launch bar, that means whenever we click anywhere in a text box, then this command for dictation will pop up automatically. And because this box is checkbox is checked in, so it is automatically inserting the punctuations wherever required. Next, we are going to see that how to add additional languages. If I have to type something in Hindi, Punjabi, or Spanish or Chinese, then what I can do. So for this, go to here, then go to settings, then go to time and language, then go to language and region. S- Click on add a language. Suppose I type for Spaniel for Spanish language. So just click select and click next, next, next. Similarly to for Chinese, you have to search for Chinese language. For Punjabi also, Punjabi, Hindi, etc. And click on next, next. Then the languages will be available over here. Like in my case, the preferred languages are English and Hindi. Whatever language you want to make it as a default one, you just drag it from bottom to top. Now my default language will be Hindi for typing. Another way is that while typing, Windows H is my listening mode. If I type Windows plus spacebar, then you see now it is at Hindi mode. Again, if I type Windows plus spacebar, then it will loop to another mode. This is how this is in English mode. Now if I type, this is my English mode. To type in Hindi, I just press Windows plus spacebar. Now it is in Hindi mode. आज मैंने नेटफ्लिक्स पर हिंदी मूवी देखी जिसका नाम था कैप्टन अमेरिका ब्रेव न्यू वर्ल्ड. So this is how a dictation works using voice typing in Windows 11. And to give commands so that applications can be opened in Windows, what we need to do is simply go to this place, and type voice typing. Here, this is known as voice access. You have to check it, enable it. So at the top, So at the top you will see it is in sleep mode. So click on the mic button. Open Notepad. Open Notepad. Maximize Notepad. Close Notepad. Open Excel. Now type hello to the world. New line. Item 1. New line. Item 2. Close Excel. So this is how this voice access works. We can turn it off from here also. And what to do if we don't have this Windows 11 or this uh, Office apps? Then the simplest solution is that we have to go to our browser. There we have to open uh, Google Docs. The shortcut for this is doc.new. Let me change the language to English. Open Google doc.new to open Google Docs. Now go anywhere, go to Tools menu, and it is voice typing. Click on this. Now I can dictate in Google Docs, full stop. My daily routine exercises are. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye. Hope it was informative. Thank you for watching the video.